Welcome. In front of me I have AirPods and the OnePlus 9 Pro, and I will show you how you can connect this to the device. It's very simple. At the first we have to open the AirPods case, then rotate it like that, and click and hold the back button to boot them into the pairing mode. So let's make it. Click and hold this button, and when the indicator starts blinking we have to release that key. Next we have to move the notification bar, click and hold the Bluetooth icon to enter the Bluetooth settings, then tap on the switcher to enable Bluetooth feature, and then tap to pair new device. And after a few moments, we will get here our AirPods. As you can see, here they are. So simply tap on it, then click to pair, and as you can see, we are connected. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.